Today we're going to be talking about place value with 3-digit numbers. These are all 3-digit numbers because they have 3 digits in them. This is how we would read the number 725, 345, 569, 628, 567. Now each of those digits in that number has a different value. So the 7 in this number has a particular value, the 2 in this number has a particular value, and the 5 in this number has a particular value, all depending on what position they are in. So the 7 is in the first position, the 2 is in the second, and the 5 is in the last. Let's have a look at this a little bit closer. Now we're going to look at writing numbers, and in particular 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Let's start with the basics though, 1-digit numbers. Here you can see we have one counter, so we would write that as the number 1. Okay, the value of this is just 1, and the position it is in is called the ones column. Let's add some more counters though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have 5 counters. I would write that a little bit differently. Okay. We would write it as a digit 5. Now it's still in the ones column, so its value is just 5. Let's add some more counters out now. We have 5, let's add to that 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is where it changes. We write the number 10 like this. So we have 1 10 and 0 ones. Okay, this is the 10, what we call the tens column. The value of the 1 here is not 1, the value is 10. Let's have a look a little bit more. This counter here represents 10 because it has 10 little cubes all stuck together. So that is 10. Okay, we just saw how we write the number 10. And we know that even though there's a 1 in this column here, in the tens column, its value is 10. Let's make a number bigger than 10. We've got 10, 20, 30. Actually, we'll make 40. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40. We would write that as 4, 0. Now let's have a look. Remember, this is called the tens column and this is called the ones column. So let's think about the value of the 4 in this number. It's not 4, it's not 400, it is 40. Let's do another one. Let's keep adding some more numbers there. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, when we write the number 100, we write 1, 0, 0. So now this column we've started using, it's called the hundreds column. This is still the tens column here, and this is still the ones column. So this number 1 here does not have the value of 1, it has a value of 100 because it's in the hundreds column. Okay. Here is a 3-digit number. It is 369. Now let's talk about the value of each of these digits in this number. Look at the 9. It's in the ones column. Sometimes you will just see an O above the ones column. Its value is just 9. Let's move across now to the 3. This digit here is in the hundreds column, and I'm just going to use a H for hundreds now. So what's its value, do you think? It's not 3, it's not 30, it's 300 because it's in the hundreds column. And let's have a look at the value of the 6 in this number. Okay, think about its position. It's in what we call the tens column, remember? And I'm just going to use a T for tens. It's not 6, its value is not 600, its value is not 69, its value is 60. Okay, because it's in the tens column. Here's another 3-digit number. This one is 642. The way I say it gives you a big clue about the value of each of these digits. Have another listen. 642. What do you think the value of the 6 is in this number? Remembering, it's in the hundreds column. So it is 600. Right, let's have a look at the next one. Let's look at the 2. What is the value of this number? Okay, it's in the ones column. So its value is just 2. Not 20 or 200. It's in the ones column, so its value is 2. Let's go back now to the 4. Okay, what column is it in? It's in the tens column, so its value is 40. So we have 642. Okay, this 3-digit number, I'm not going to read the number to you this time. I want you to pause it and have a think about what is the value of each of these digits in this number. And then you're going to come back and check how you went. Okay, how did you go? Let's have a look at this number a bit closer. What is the value of the 3 in this number? We need to consider the position that it's in. So here is the hundreds, here are the tens, and here are the ones. Okay, it's in the tens column, which means that its value is 30. Let's choose another colour and have a look at the 8. What is the value of the 8 in this number? Look, see, it's in the hundreds column, so its value is 800. And the last number, 2. What is the value of the 2 in this number? Okay, remember it's in the ones column, so its value is just 2. So the number we have is 832. Right, one more by yourself. Have a look at this number here. Again, I'm not going to read this one to you. I want you to pause it and have a think about the value of the 9, the 2, and the 7. Think about what position it's in, what column is it in. How did you go? Let's have a look. What is the value of the 7 in this number? Remembering we have hundreds, tens, ones. Yes, its value is just 7. Okay, let's have a look at the 9. Let's look at what column it's in. It's in the hundreds column. So its value is not 9, it's not 90, it's not 92, it's 900. Okay, and the last column we have, there's the digit 2. Remember, it's in the tens column, so its value isn't 2 or 200, its value is 20. So we have the number 927. Next, I have a little song for you. While this song is playing, I want you to have a look at these 3-digit numbers as they move around the screen and have a think about the value that each digit in these numbers has. I hope you enjoy the song.
Some numbers